My name's John Hibbert, and I like 73 Corvettes. I have 3 of them. I have this green 73 big block 4-speed. I have a white 73 L82 4-speed, and I have a gold 73 convertible L82 4-speed. That originally the car's blue. It's going to go back blue. And to say I like working on Corvettes is the understatement. I've had this car for the last 6 years, and my son and I have totally restored it. We did not take it off the frame, but we did a mechanical restoration on the car. Obviously pulled the engine, transmission out. Everything's been rebuilt down to the rear end, transmission. Put all new glass in the car. The car was stripped and painted. It's a unmolested, unwrecked 73 big block. In 1968, one of my dad's friends pulled up in a 68 Corvette, and I was 12 years old, and that started my love affair with Corvettes. And every time I would see one, whoever I was around, I would tell people that one day I'll have one. And I was able to get one in 1974. I got a 73 small block T-top car in 1973, and I've had one ever since. The white car that I have is a one owner. It's a original paint car, just a super neat car. I had an Elkhart green 73 big block 4-speed car with black interior in 1975. So 6 years ago, when I got a chance to get this one, I jumped on it. I drove it every single day for 5 years until I was able to pick up another 73 and start using it as my daily driver. Back in the 70s, I had several sets of these wheels that I just thought were gorgeous. This set happened to pop up on Facebook, and so I jumped at it and thought I'd just go retro. Obviously, I always have my original wheels I could put back on there if I wanted to, but I doubt very seriously I'll do that anytime soon. I like the luggage rack. It's not a factory installed option. It's just a personal preference. Motor's rebuilt. It's got the correct braided wires on it. There was a recall on 73 Corvettes with a big block fan blades. So they had to, I have the original fan blade that came in the car. What you're looking at right now is the recall portion of it, where they removed the clutch. The big block air cars were having trouble overheating. This was supposed to help eliminate that problem. Actually, yes, there will be another one in the future, probably within the next 6 months or so. It will be another 73, yes. As soon as I get finished putting this convertible back together, I'm pulling the transmission out today. Throwout bearing evidently is going out in it. I just bought the car a couple of weeks ago, but that is a super duper solid car. I mean, like, incredible as far as no rust, solid frame, never been hit. Spent its whole life in California. I got the tank sticker off of the car. It had of course, it had the California emissions done to it. The car stayed there until October of last year, and then was traded to a dealership in Illinois. And they posted it on eBay at a real high price, and I was able to get them down to an acceptable level price so that I could make it worthwhile to put back together. I mean, look at the top of the sun visor. That's the starting instructions. That's the first thing people took off when they bought a new Corvette in 1973. And this has got the original one on it. So this car pretty much set, I don't know where. Somebody painted it, obviously, because it should be, if you look at the front, you'll see the color blue. It should be. It'll get back, it'll be blue when we get finished. It'll be the, it's a dark blue. I call it midnight blue, but I think it's code 27. Take your time. Don't jump on the first car. Just, you know, you want to get one that's solid. You know, take the kick panel plates off. Make sure it's not rusted. Climb all over the thing. Check your windshield post out. You know, these things are, the roll cage in these cars were not dipped. So the steel inside that roll cage is as raw today as it was when it was built originally. So none. Love the car.
That was quick.
No, love the car. Love this car, man. This car.
So needless to say, this one stays here in the family.
Yeah,
This
right? is, my son drives this car. He takes this thing out, and he loves that car. So yeah, this is his car. They're actually all his cars when he wants them.